Avogadro's law describes the mole amount and volume of a gas at constant temperature and pressure. Within some kind of container, the volume occupied by a gas is directly proportional to the amount of moles of that gas, again, all within that container. We can apply this relationship to determine the volume or to determine the amount of moles of the gas sample. The formula is written as initial volume over initial mole amount equals the final volume over the final mole amount. By this formula, Avogadro's law tells us that it is not the molecular size of mass that's important here, but what is important is the moles of gas, or the number of molecules that actually determine the gas volume. Because of this law, Avogadro communicates something amazing about gases just in general. It doesn't matter what the molar mass of individual gases are. Avogadro observed that 1 mole of any gas occupies around the same amount of volume, which is 20